In this video, we'll walk through how to order custom RNA oligos through our website. The Order tool can be found by clicking on the Products section, then navigating to Single-Stranded RNA Synthesis under the Custom Oligonucleotide category. This brings you to a landing page where you can learn more about different modifications and purification options. Click on Order Single-Stranded RNA to order one oligo, or the Multiple button to order multiple oligos. Here, you can name your sequence, select your purification option, and choose a synthesis scale. Hover over the blue question mark to learn more, or click the Contact Us button to talk to our team of scientists on the scientific support team. Next, enter your sequence. You can use the drop-down menus to add a modification on the 5' end, 3' end, or internally. Click Refresh Price to see the price and lead time. Once you've finalized your selections, add the item to your cart. From there, you can either check out or click the Generate Quote button to have a quote automatically emailed to you. We're here to help. If you do not see the options you are interested in, reach out to us by phone, chat, or email for assistance.